Shrimp and pork spring rolls, the refreshing flavor of Vietnamese cuisine. Shrimp and pork spring rolls, also known affectionately as nem cuon, are a traditional dish with a strong hometown flavor. With a simple, light and fresh appearance, shrimp and pork spring rolls have become an indispensable part of the meals of many Vietnamese families. The dish is not only a perfect combination of fresh ingredients but also carries cultural values, creating a special flavor, making anyone who enjoys it remember it forever. Let's go into the kitchen and start making it quickly.
Ingredients: 200 grams fresh tiger prawns, wash and drain and boil for about 8 minutes, peel, remove the black thread and split in half, 200 grams pork belly, wash with diluted salt water and lemon, boil for about 12 to 15 minutes, thinly slice into bite-sized pieces, choose soft, thin rice paper, 200 grams fresh vermicelli, raw vegetables, lettuce, herbs, coriander, basil, raw vegetables, pick, wash, drain. 150 grams chives, wash and cut into pieces. 1 cucumber, 1 carrot, peeled and sliced.
Mix sweet and sour fish sauce, 3 parts fish sauce, 3 parts water, 1 part sugar, 1 part lemon juice, minced garlic and minced chili. Mix well until the sugar dissolves, add shredded carrots and it's done. Shrimp and pork spring rolls, dip rice paper in water until soft. Place rice paper on a flat surface, add some raw vegetables, vermicelli, chives, cucumber first. Next, place 1 or 2 pieces of pork belly and a split shrimp on top. Roll tightly, fold the 2 edges of the rice paper in so that the filling doesn't fall out. And we have completed a spring roll.
Enjoy shrimp and pork spring rolls are often eaten with sweet and sour dipping sauce or peanut sauce, creating a unique and attractive flavor. This dish is not only delicious but also very nutritious, suitable for all ages. Shrimp and pork spring rolls provide many important nutrients. Shrimp, rich in protein, vitamin B12 and omega-3, good for the heart and nervous system. Pork belly, provides necessary energy and fat. Raw vegetables, provide fiber, vitamins and minerals, good for the digestive system and skin. Shrimp and pork spring rolls are not only a light, easy to make dish, but also carry the flavor of reunion and happiness. When gathering around the dining table with friends, rolling each spring roll yourself, you will feel the connection and simple but profound joy. Shrimp and pork spring rolls are not only a dish to satisfy the taste buds, but also an opportunity for us to share stories, laughter and memorable memories. Try making this dish and share memorable moments with your loved ones. Surely, shrimp and pork spring rolls will bring you interesting and meaningful culinary experiences. See you again in the next Vietnamese dishes, where we will explore and experience unique and attractive flavors. Wishing you delicious and cozy meals with family and friends.